Welcome to Enovin Foods. Today let's make a delicious and unique snack. Aloo Rice Triangle, a perfect blend of soft potato and creamy rice with crispy edges. Let's get started. Take half cup rice, soak it for 2 hours. Did you know rice can be used to make dough, not just plain dishes? And wash it well. Pour into a blender with half cup water and blend until smooth. Heat 2 teaspoon oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon cumin, 2 tablespoon chopped onion, 1 green chili, and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Roast for 30 seconds until fragrant. Now pour in the blended rice mixture. Add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili flakes, and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Cook until the mixture thickens and starts separating from the pan. Add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix well and let it cool for 5 minutes. Knead the mixture for a minute. Take some of the dough, roll it out gently. And trim the edges. Cut into a triangle shapes. Rice provides energy and is easy to digest. Potatoes offer potassium and fiber when eaten in moderation. Cumin and ginger aid digestion naturally. This recipe uses minimal oil, making it lighter than deep-fried snacks. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crisp. Use medium heat while frying to keep the inside soft and the outside crispy. These triangles are a fusion of Indian cutlets and Western finger foods. Kids love triangle shapes. They make the snack extra fun. You can stuff cheese inside for a surprise twist. Always cool the rice potato mix before shaping to avoid sticking. Kneading for a minute gives better binding and texture. Add a pinch of chaat masala after frying for a tangy touch. So here's your crispy, soft and satisfying aloo rice triangle. Perfect for lunch boxes, tea time snacks or a rainy day treat. Tried this recipe, let us know in the comments how it turned out. Would you add cheese, corn or other fillings? Share your twist. Like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to Enovin Foods for more creative homemade snacks.